Sometimes it's worth to take a moment to pause and to look back at what we have achieved together. Behind every project are people, commitment and ideas. And for that, we want to say thank you. At Timmer, we develop solutions that perform in everyday operations, reliable, efficient and practical. Our goal is simple: technology that streamlines processes and deliver real value to our customers. In 2025, we introduced new products and enhancements, more compact, more efficient and precisely tailored to our customer needs. An important milestone was the construction of our new facility, a site built for future efficiency and growth. The topping out ceremony demonstrated once again that we continue to move forward together. What sets us apart is not only technology, it's partnership. We listen, collaborate and develop solutions that work in the long term. 2026 will be a year full of opportunities. We will continue to invest in innovation, digitalization and sustainable solutions. And above all, in trustworthy partnerships. If you haven't met us yet, we look forward to connecting with you. On behalf of the entire Timmer team, I wish you an enjoyable holiday season and a successful start to the new year. Stay healthy and stay curious.